Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru Ken. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an account on PNC Bank online. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to sign up for a PNC Bank account online from your computer, just open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in pnc.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be directed to this page, which is the login or the home page of the PNC Bank account or the PNC Bank. Now to create an account on PNC, first you'll be required to click on the sign in button on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there, and from over here, after this tab appears, you can see the enroll in the online banking over here. Click over there, and after that you'll be directed to this page, which is the registration page of the PNC, and it's the first step, and you will be required to enter your identity information from over here regarding your account. And you can see there are 5 steps, and after you complete a step there is a next button. Enter your details, go to these steps, and you'll be able to create an account on PNC Bank if you give or enter or register all the required information by the PNC Bank itself. And guys, this is how you create an account on PNC Bank. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.